Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on how to use basics, and today in this video I'm going to be guiding you through how to change profile picture on your Crunchyroll application. So if you want to change your profile picture on Crunchyroll application, keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to change profile picture on your Crunchyroll application, first of all, go ahead and tap on Crunchyroll app. Here you have to make sure that you have been logged into your Crunchyroll account first. So if you haven't, go ahead and log into your account, and then you will be available with this interface on your mobile phone. Now what you got to do is go ahead and tap on account, which is in the bottom right corner. After you do that, you'll be able to see your profile here. So go ahead and tap on that little logo of edit under your profile. After you do that, again you have to go ahead and tap on that little logo of edit under your profile. Now here you will be available with several options of changing your profile, whether it be under Crunchyroll or even One Piece, and other several options available here. Now this is getting interesting. I would like to choose one of them of One Piece. Now after you do that, you make sure after choosing your profile, go ahead and tap on done, which is in the top right corner. Now all you have to do is go ahead and tap on save. That was quite easy. As you can see, my profile has already been changed. Just in case, I'm gonna make sure by tapping in on home. So as you can see, my profile has already been changed. So that's how quick and easy it was. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.